Ready to unlock the power of peer-to-peer payments in your Mern Stack app? First, let's set up your Stripe account and grab your API keys. You'll need both your publishable and secret keys, so keep those safe. Now, in your backend, install the Stripe Node.js library using npm install Stripe. Next, configure Stripe with your secret key to get started. We'll create an express route to handle creating connected accounts. This route will receive user data and use the Stripe API to create a new Connect account. Be sure to store the returned Stripe account ID in your database. On the front end, build a form for users to input their information when the user submits. Send this data to your backend's create account route. Time to enable payments. Create another backend route to handle creating payment intents. This route calculates the amount, sets the application fee, and transfers the funds to the connected account. Remember the transfer_data parameter when creating payment intents. It's crucial for routing those application fees. In your React component, use Stripe Pays to handle the payment flow. Capture the payment on the client side, and then confirm it with your backend. Finally, in your Stripe Connect dashboard, monitor connected accounts, manage payouts, and handle any potential issues, and that's it. You've successfully integrated Stripe Connect into your Mern Stack application.